Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explain about a downtrend channel. So in our previous session I already explained what's the trendy market and what's the channel movement of the market. So and I already explained about uptrend channel. I always telling one thing that I am giving all the very basic concept here. So it will very helpful for beginners. That's why I will explain all the very basic concept here first, then slowly I will explain all the deep knowledge of forex. So I already explained what is ranging market, what is trendy market, what is uptrend market, how we recognize downtrend market, what is uptrend between what's the difference between uptrend market and uptrend channel. So now today I will explain about downtrend market and downtrend channel. Okay, so always we have to remember one thing, that when market started to falling down from a seller's entry point area very strongly, that time after this part, this is the first wave from this level here. Okay, now we have to observe one thing, that the buyers behavior. What's the behavior of the buyers? If we see, buyers are turning the market to the upward direction, it's okay, but the movement of the buyers are not so strong like this. It's like this type of very weak buyers, one or two buyers, after that again market strongly fall down very strongly like this. So that means when sellers are very strong, buyers are weak, sellers again try to turn the market to the downward direction. So after this pullback, market create another wave here to here. Okay, so this is the first wave, this is the second wave. So I will explain wave analysis also, how we can analyze each and every wave. So how many candlestick we can expect in one wave. So all the deep knowledge I will explain slowly, but I will try to explain all the very basic concept first for very newbies, beginners. So when market falling down, it's a downtrend market. So after this pullback, if we see, again we have to observe the behavior of the buyers. So what type of behavior in the pullback area? It creating like this type of candlestick, strong candle, and market is going up, and this level breakout happened, or market is creating very weak buyers. After that again sellers entered in the market and sellers turned the market to the downward direction, again more down. Okay, more down. So when market create this type of situation, this is a strong trendy market. We can call it's a strong trendy market. So now when we see sellers entered in the market, it's okay. Now today I will explain how we can make difference between trendy market, channel movement, and sideways market or ranging market. So now try to understand from here. So it's a strong trendy market. When market behavior is like this type of, it's a strong trendy market, and we can call it a downtrend market. In downtrend market, always we have to remember one thing, that sellers are in a power, buyers are very weak. Now when from an extreme sellers entry point area, sellers turning the market to the downward direction, it's okay, sellers are in a power, it's okay. But now we have to observe what's the behavior of the buyers. Okay, so now market again started to going up from here, it goes up. It's going to the upward direction, but it when came near to this area, again market started to falling down and it's deep down. That means market again falling down, and finally breakout happened. This area breakout, that means this level breakout happened and little breakout, this one. After that market again started to going up from here. Okay, and it deeply goes up. Not like this type of pullback. Again market falling down very strongly, but when market break this level, it not fall more down, market again started to going up, little breakout, and then market again started to going up from here. Okay, from here goes up. After that market again falling down. So now in this situation, it's not market is falling down, it's okay, market is falling down, it's okay, but it not so strong movement like these sellers. In this area, these sellers are very powerful here. We can trust these sellers, but in this case, sellers also powerful, but buyers also powerful, not so strong powerful, but buyers turning the market to the upward direction strongly. So deeply goes up, not little bit, deeply goes up. So now we can add one line from below here, another line from above here. So how we can place our trade, what will our entry point, and when we can exit from the market, where is the exit point, this is totally different thing. So now in this channel, it's a downtrend channel movement of the market. So market falling down here. Okay, now if we see this is the sellers entry point area. From the sellers entry point area, sellers entered in the market very deeply, it's okay, but when we see sellers turning, buyers again entered in the market, turning the market to the upward direction, again buyers strongly goes up, sometimes breakout happen, or sometimes exactly market came near to this area, little bit below, or exactly, or breakout. After breakout, market again started to falling down, and when market again came near to this area, little bit area came little above or exactly at this level, previous level, this one, or little below, then market again started to going up. So just try to understand all the very basic concept first, then I will explain all the very deep knowledge slowly. But when we know the very basic concept, everything will very clear to us. Okay, so now market again started to going up like this. So again came near to this area, or market breakout happened, or exactly came here, again market falling down. So now when market behavior is like this type of, it's not a strong trendy market, downtrend market, it's not a channel movement, it's a sideways market, because market is moving side by side, going up again falling down. It doesn't mean that market directly goes up, it may one or two reversal here also, after that market goes up, but final destination is this one, resistance level. When market hit this resistance level, market is falling down. When market hit this support level, market is going up. So when market create this type of situation, so we can call it's a ranging market, and we can call it's a sideways market, side by side. So we have this type of strategy, also strong strategy, this type of market strategy, this type of market strategy also. So I will try to explain, and I providing forex courses I have paid courses. So if anybody want to learn all the very deep knowledge of forex and want to be a consistently profitable trader, contact me from video description. I will give my contact details in video description. So now I am showing another thing here. This is Euro USD pair one day market trading view platform. If we add this level and this level and this level and this level, so we can call it a channel. Why? Because market falling down, but again market goes up, strongly goes up, deep up. Not only one candlestick after that market fallen. Yes, here market one candle, again market deep up, again market fall down, finally again market deeply goes up. So now when market create this type of behavior, we can call it's a channel movement, and we can easily draw like this way, and we can easily open a trade. This is one day chart. We can easily place our trade. So we have so many strategies, so many market structure, market strategies. So if anybody want to learn very deeply about forex market, contact me by video description. So this is all about today's session. Thanks for watching my videos.